Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the September Ayan Mini Box to unbox and review in this video, which is priced at Rs 399. So let's get started. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is how the box has reached me in a normal brown cardboard box. At first we have a portly bag or a portly pouch here. So this is how it looks. It has a circular base and then it has this golden work on a red color and this beige color as well, and with a golden handle, golden beaded handle. Looks very nice. I really like the color combination of this, and quality wise also it looks good. The finishing and the work is really good. So I do like this pouch. I don't use portlies much, but definitely I'll use it at times. Then moving to skincare section, here we have a white musk shower gel from the brand Ahara, and this is manufactured in August 2018. Expires in August 2020. MRP is 250 and 100 ml full size. Direction, ingredients and everything is mentioned right here. And as you can see, this is a completely transparent gel. So it actually looks good to me, and the packaging is also good. It has a pump dispenser. Let's see how the fragrance is. Oh my god, the fragrance is really good. I love the fragrance. It kind of smells like perfume to me rather than the shower gel. I really like the fragrance. This is definitely a product I'm going to use pretty soon. Then the next skincare product is by Pearls of Veda, and this is Food Detox Mask. The directions are mentioned here, and here are the ingredients. MRP is mentioned as 550, even though it might be a little overpriced. Expiry is in 12/2019, but still the ingredients are good, so this is going to be a good mask. This is how it looks. It's a handmade kind of mask. It has a little bit of citrusy fragrance, maybe because of the lemon extracts in it, and this is definitely gonna be good because the ingredient list is so nice. Then moving on, we have a makeup product here from the brand Magic Dust. This is a BB cream which is organic, fresh and natural. Here are the usage details. Manufactured in 8/2018, expires in 7/2019, and MRP is huge guys. It's for 950 rupees. So this is an organic BB cream, so that's why the price is a little higher. And so let's have a look at the ingredients here. It has organic grapeseed oil, lemon oil, organic cocoa butter, berry extracts, citrus fruit extracts, blueberry extracts, mushroom extracts, strawberry extracts, organic cocoa powder and pomegranate extracts, along with aqua, aloe vera extracts, cream base, glycerin and some more things. So I have zoomed on this product because it's written in very small letters. It has really good ingredients which will be good for your skin. So I am looking forward to trying this out. If it suits my skin tone, then this will definitely be good. Okay, so this is how it looks. Oh, I spilled so much. So packaging wise, it's not too great considering it's priced at 950, because I spilled a lot of cream while just closing the lid. So this is how the cream is consistency wise. Let's try out a little bit here. It has a creamy kind of consistency. Well, it did blend in pretty well on my skin, and it has a medium coverage, I would say light to medium coverage, and it has a matte finish, and the fragrance is also pretty good. I'm liking the fragrance. It didn't make my skin dry. It's kind of dewy, yet it's looking matte, so I kind of like this product. Then with that, we have these two makeup sponges. These I usually use to take off my face pack while washing my face, but these can be used for blending your BB cream or foundation as well. Even though they are not the best, you cannot compare these to beauty blenders, but of course if you're a starter, if you're beginning with your makeup, you can start with these. I do keep these for different usages, so I do like to receive them. Then we have a pack of tissues, very essential. I do keep them in my handbag always. I keep a lot of stock actually for my trips and all, because usually we plan sudden trips. So this is definitely good, something that I actually buy, so it's good. Then we have another similar travel friendly product. These are 3 sachets of hand sanitizer. It's enriched with vitamin E and tea tree oil, kills germs. These are very travel friendly. You can just drop them in your handbag. And if you're having food outside or you want to apply makeup, or I don't know, I feel like keeping my hands clean most of the time, so I do use hand sanitizers frequently, and this is definitely good. Very tiny cute sachets actually. And finally we have a piece of jewelry. So here are a very unique set of earrings. It has a red color stone along with this white ball and a circular golden ring around it. Looks pretty and definitely very stylish. You can pair them with suits, kurtis and even single piece dresses, and it kind of matches this portly as well. So yeah, I did like it. So those are all the products in the September Ayan Mini Box priced at $3.99. I did like all the products, especially this shower gel has amazing fragrance. I'm definitely gonna use it soon. If any of you guys are interested in getting this, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. You will also find the links to the giveaways running on my channel. If you haven't already, then definitely do check them out and participate. They have very simple rules. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and you would be winning some amazing gifts. So don't miss your chance. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then what are you waiting for? Come on, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.